Today we're going to show you this QuickSet tool. We're going to show you how easy and simple this tool is to put on the vehicle so you can have assistance in setting this windshield so you don't get hurt. Some of these windshields get pretty big. There's no stops at the bottom of them. It's nice to have some help. This tool is very simple, very adjustable. We have different adjustment holes for the height between the hood and the glass, so you can set this where you need it. You can spin to get this out of your way. You can spin this tool, get things out of your way without moving your suction cup. And you have different lengths you can extend this out to. So I'm going to set this up now before we cut this windshield out so we can know exactly where we have to be. So we're going to get a good set. We want good suction on this tool right here. We're going to make sure it's not going to come loose. And then set that down on this, get this pump working. Only takes a second. And pretty much, guys, about right here, I'm going to extend this tool and see if I'm in the right spot. So I'm a little close. This is how easy it is to adjust. Watch this. Now, I got that where I'd like it. I got good bond on my hood. Pump this thing down. That's it. Now we can cut the windshield out, and we know when we go to set the new windshield that we can put it on this roller, roll it into position where we need it, and set it without getting hurt, and put it in the right position to minimize air leaks and having problems.